Hey guys, it's me, Scratch How To. And please subscribe because we are so close to 100 subscribers. And tomorrow's when I want to get my goal. Because tomorrow's the one. It would be 1 year ever since I upload my first project. So please subscribe. But anyways, I got a lot of comments on my profile saying that whenever they typed in something, it wouldn't exactly work in their chat, like their improved chat room. So if I type in hello. And I also added a few things off camera, like after. So just let me show you guys the code. Okay. So this is when we set up our chat and this make chat. Make chat needs to be in a forever loop. And then make chat. Delete all of chat, set I to 1. And let me break this down. Okay, let me just pause this. So look, this is one second. Okay, there you go. Delete all of chat. Set I to 1. Repeat until I is greater than the length of chat 1. If 2 digit, and if you go to the get value, actually, let's set 2 digit because we want input to be blank, you know. So we set 2 digit to 0 at the beginning. Let me see if that works. Yep, it still works. So maybe that's what you guys are missing, but just wait because I added a few things that I want you guys to still see. But I don't really think you need this that much. But if it doesn't work, just add that there. Set input to blank. Get value of chat one. Let's see. Get value of chat one. Uh, let me just use the find. Okay, there you go. Oh, it's right above here. Okay. So we set 2 digit to letter I of chat, which would be letter 1, and letter I plus 1, which would be like letter 2. Change I by 2, it prepares us for the gate value next. Remember, it's change I by 2 and not by 1. If 2 digits less than 1, then we stop the script, which means that we have went through all the values in chat 1. And we set input to join input 2 digit of ABC. And now here. So if 2 digit contains 0, we add input to chat. See, 2 digit will only contain 0 if that was the last thing. Because remember, here we said join it to 0, 0, like if that's the end of the encoding. So that's like our stopper. So maybe it's because 2 digit was not set to 0. Like if I remove this, you see 2 digit is 0, 0 for me. So because it needs to be 2 digit before this. So 2 digit contains 0, but make sure not to put inside a repeat loop. Just put it like right above the repeat loop. If 2 digit contains 0, then we add input to chat. Cause like if I just let's turn off the reset timer for a second. Okay. If I write hello and then I don't know, I'm just gonna write the whole alphabet. Yeah, I'm just gonna do until I see that chat two has been filled up. Okay, so as you can see, chat one, if I click it, shows this. Now as you can see, so, so chat one starts with this, right? So this is what I added. See, because then if I didn't add that, then it actually and let me put that reset there. See this, like chat one, it'd just be unopened, like. Okay, let me show you guys an example. If I just put add input to chat. Okay. Oh yeah, I need to reset timer. Uh, Set reset timer to 0. 1 sec. Okay, there you go. So if I just do this, okay, wait, what? Oh, yeah. I think I need to connect all this stuff back up here. Okay, one sec. Let me just. Yeah, because. Oh, I put this back. Okay, let me remove this. And let's just put it here. So, as you can see, it's still doing pretty fine. Okay. Now, if I put it again, or maybe if I put it again. See, cloud variables can store a lot. And if I put this on, look, that's what it shows. Because sometimes it's disconnected. And oh my, the reset timer resets it like every minute. So yeah. I see it has two says. Another one. I think it's because of this. Yeah, it's because of this. Because chat, I think chat 2 is being used. Yep. So basically, what this does is before it would like. Okay, how about I just set input to blank here? There you go. See this? Look, it goes on, and then it connects it here, and then at the end it just makes a new one. But I want it to be all the text to be in one row, so I set the 2GG here to 0. If it contains 0. So yeah, so make sure it looks like this. But I don't need this 0, so I'll just take it out and repeat until I is greater than with chat 1. 2G contains 0, give out chat 1, 2G contains 0, set input to chat. And then at the end, you don't really need to put anything. Just make sure that's for all cloud variables. Okay, let's hide these. Okay. But maybe it's in your right values to chat. You know? So let's go to right values to chat. Set I to 1, repeat length of values. If my voice sounds kind of croaky, that's because like I woke up like 30 minutes ago. Things I do for you guys. But anyways, set I to 1, repeat length of values. If one like this if like this checks if chat because the maximum values a cloud variable could hold is 256. Now I might be thinking if I change chat one by like 256 here. I can't even do that actually. Uh, one sec. Okay, so this is 256 characters. Now, if I just add one more 256, if I like, look, this is 258 characters, like I could show you right now. Look, 258 characters. Now, if I click this, it's also 258. But so I set chat one to 50 characters, right? But if I reload the page, okay, so now I've reloaded the page. If I go back down to where I am, it's back to 256 because if it's 258, then for other views, just goes to 256. So basically, what this if does is check if it's greater than 256, which I probably shouldn't have done. I probably should have did like 254. 254. 254. Just make sure you do that. Just to make sure you're precise. Okay, so guys, this is me after like making that to put these back to 256 because I have been working on this for such a long time. Like I was like, why is it not working? It's because you need to set this to 256. So make sure they're 256. Make sure they are, please, because I made the mistake. Because I showed you guys to put it to 254. If I tell you guys to put it to 254, 255, just set to 256, please. Because this glitch also makes sure it's two digit contains to 0. You know, you don't need to add it for chat one though. And for chat 9, you can just do this. I think. Wait, yeah, you could just add that, or you could just leave him. I think it'd be better if you just left it. Wait, let me put in my reset code, right? Because I took it out because, like I said, I was experimenting, seeing why it wasn't working. I think I found the reason why. Okay, so where's my reset code? Oh, here it is. Because this is so long. This thing's probably over here. Actually, you know what? It should probably be like over here. Oh yeah. Okay. So then, if later chat eight, I mean later chat one join item number with I values. Like this is the encoding. This is the encode because if I set chat one to join chat one, like okay, let's set chat one to 0. If I said to join chat one, letter I of I don't even know what I is. What's I? I is 1. Okay, that's good. So letter I of code, that's 12 because letter 1 of code is C, and what's item number of C? Number 12. So then if I do letter 2, it's 2 4, and then it just keeps on going on until it's repeated. But this checks that if if we join chat one, would it be greater than 256? Because as you can see, like look, and then the length. Now look, make sure it's length of join chat one of quote. So if we see length, it would be 9. So it checks if it would be greater than 256. So now if it actually let's change this to 255. So make sure it's length of here and not just the join. Because if it was joined it showed this. But we just want it to be this. Okay. And the reason why we have to encode and decode is because Scratch can only use numbers and not letters in their cloud variables, which makes a lot of sense because data is stored in zeros and ones and not just A's and Z's. So yeah, anyways, let's just see the project with Control S. Okay. So now it sets them to their corresponding mixtures: chat 9, chat 8, chat 7, chat 6, chat 5, chat 4, chat 3, chat 2, and chat 1. And then change I by 1. Remember this change I by 1. I always forget to change I by 1 at the end. Make sure it's here. Change I by 1. So that it repeats length of value so it goes to everyone. Now this because remember how I said that like it would be stopped, like it'd break apart into different sections? Well, this thing also prevents that from happening. So if length of chat 2 is less than 1, which means we're not using chat 2, then we set chat 1 to join chat 100. I know, it sounds complicated, but like it just it makes sense to me because like this checks if we're like writing. And let's say chat 1 and chat 2 were filled and we had chat 3, right? So it checks if chat 2 is greater than 255, which means that it has reached its maximum capacity. That means that we didn't even put anything there. So we don't want to just stop it randomly there. So that means we wrote, but it also checks if length of chat 4 is less than 1, which means that we are also not full. So it sets chat 3 to join chat 300 because that's the one we wrote it on. We only want to put 00, the stopper, on the thing we encoded on. So yeah, chat 2 is less than 1. Now, length of chat 8 is greater than 255. chat 9. Chat 9 only needs this, only one, which is the greater than, and chat 1 only needs the less than. Okay. But the rest need both. Make sure that your code looks kind of like this. Okay. It could just be that the reset timer was bad. It just kept on resetting every 1 second. Like, I mean, that makes so much sense. Like, if I just typed in A, it reset, like, literally just like that. Or if it was just greater than 0, if I typed in A, it just immediately go away. Yeah, like that. It pop up for, like, less than a second, and then boom, will just go away. So the best thing to do is just make sure that's 59, so that it resets every minute. And then broadcast reset, well, not receive reset. This is the reset code, you know. Sometimes your reset time may not work, so just set reset time to 0 here. Okay, let me just make it. Let me just make sure that all my cloud variables like are reset, because if all of them are not reset, that'd be very bad. Chat 4, chat 5, chat 6, chat 7. Where's chat 8? Oh, I think chat 8's behind here. Wait. Where's chat 8? Oh, yep, it's right there. Yeah, because if you show them before each other, then that's the order it will pop up in. So let's just hide them. And yeah, or it could be just your right. See, because once one T key pressed, it writes the current time, and then it writes the username says answer on the month, day, and the year. So if I wrote hello, it showed the time. The reason why I'm showing this, it's not like 12 a.m. It's 12 p.m. I gotta fix that. Okay. So this is basically the time one. So I gotta do is uh here to join. Actually, no, I'm going to just do this. Okay. So if else. So this is for the current minute, because sometimes the minute is like 9, like it's like maybe it's 12:09, so it just adds an extra 0. But yeah, I gotta add this here for the hour. If current hour is less than 12, then we write join. So we write join current hour. We don't need the module, so we just write join current hour. And then AM, and we can just do the same thing here. Okay, yeah. Yep, and then we just had to join current hour module 12 p.m. Okay, let's replace this with space PM. Okay, there we go. So now if I write it again, uh, what did I do wrong? Oh, current hour is less than 12. So that's the hour is 12, right? Oh yeah. How about we do less than 13? Okay, what's up? Oh, I think I just broke it. So current hour is less than 13. We show AM, but it's PM. So let's just change this back to 12. Current hour module 12 PM. Oh, I also just know when it presses R, it broadcast reset. 0 PM 27. Oh! I actually did this wrong. I was supposed to put the AM and PM here. Okay. Let me just fix it. Here we go. Okay, there we go. So now hello. There we go. Yeah, just maybe it was your right. I could just do something as simple as putting right answer to chat, which you could just do that. Like hello. It writes everything. This is E125. Yeah. But what I do, I just do it for complicated. But I mean, it's still worth it. I'm happy I made a chat room tutorial for you guys. But I also see that you guys said that Scratch like took it down. So like I'm just also show you guys how to use the malware detector on it. Yeah, let me just get that from here. Okay, I have it. I'll just put it in here. Okay, so now they have that. Just back to